G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video, video number 102. We got our earnings yesterday, which was Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Did pretty well, can't complain. Let's take a look here, guys. So 0.35%, made $63. Also had some bonus that came in yesterday, which is $22.76. That's pretty sweet. So the bonus got added to the $72.80. Remember I had $50 and change up there. So yeah, that got added. So all in all, yesterday I made basically like 85.27 basically. So yeah, it was a good day yesterday, guys. That's why it's nice to have some team members along, so you can make some extra commission. And so that brings me well over 24,000 now, guys. If I go to my investments page, pull this up here, I have as you see, 23,600, and then also 461.37 is here as well. Of course, adding on the 72.80 to that, so I'm well over 24,000, guys, and getting close to the $25,000 mark, which I'm very excited for, guys. So, like I said, will get me up to the next tier. So, just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of the S Group system here. It's basically a system. If you guys are I'm just giving a brief overview. If you guys are just kind of wanting to get more information on it, just clicking around YouTube. It allows you to invest your money in 4 different areas at this time. They're actually going to be expanding into real estate real soon, but for now, what's available is the S Forex market. Now, this market is what S Group originally started out with. These other 3 were not available, just the Forex. So that's why I've been building this one up in all my videos over the last, well, I started in October 2020, so since then, I'm not sure when you'll see this video, but been in it since October 2020, building up this account. So that's the Forex, and it trades on the Forex market. So what you do, guys, basically you invest your money into that market, and when you do so, it trades every day between Monday and Friday. So during that trade, depending on the amount of money you have invested, say if you have $100 for the trade of that day, which was, like, say for example yesterday was 0.35%. So they take 0.35% of the amount of money that you have invested, and then what they do is they give you 50% of the earnings, and then they keep the other 50%. So whatever 0.35% is on $100, yeah, you get 50%, and then they get 50%. That's if you have 100 to 499 invested. And then, of course, as you let's get rid of this window here. As you move up the structure here, if you have 500, between 500 and 1499, you get 60%. They get 40, and if you have 1500 to 4999, you get 65%. They get 35%, and so on. So, as you see, guys, I'm just creeping up on the 25,000. So soon I'm going to be getting 80% of the share, and they're going to be getting 20%. So I'll be averaging about an extra $5 to $10 a day, which I'm really excited about because I want to get my account built up and start earning, some of those higher earnings. You know what I mean? So want to let you guys just know about this. If you have any further questions about S Group, just feel free to shoot me an email down below. But that's with Forex. Getting into S Pharmaceutical, this is medical marijuana. So they do have that whole area. If you click on that, there's details and information on the different cycles you can invest in. Full cycle, production, extraction, sale, product cycle. Whatever one you select, it'll tell you down below here the minimum. And yeah, basically you, after the term is done, you'll get a percentage of the amount invested. And the other one that is available is SIPO. It's various stocks that they have, and Liquidity Mining is their own token system. So all these are on autopilot, guys. So you just invest, and then you earn the money as time goes on. So just wanted to make this quick 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can see all my updates in my progress in S Group. And if you want to join, click on the sign up link down below in the description. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.